Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Currently nandito ako sa pinagawa kong bahay. As you may have seen sa previous video ko. Almost finished na siya. I will show you later kung ano yung itsura nito. Anong update sa construction ng bahay. So parang kulang na lang dito sa bahay or furnitures. Meron mga pintura, light fixtures are set up. Basta kulang lang talaga furniture. You can actually live here. I can actually live here na. But before I show you the house or yung construction update ng bahay, I will have my lunch first because it's around 12 and I haven't had breakfast na kaya gutom na ako. I have my food delivered here. So basically this is the first meal. This is my first meal dito sa bahay. I ordered some food from my tea. Then we ordered fries. So let's try muna ako and then I'll show you later kung ano ng update sa construction. By the way guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please do not forget to subscribe, share this video, like this video, what else? Comment down below your thoughts. Also, you can follow me on my social media accounts. I will be putting the link down below. Since I don't have furniture yet, I am eating with some heaven. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. So guys, I'm done eating. I will show you the house na. I will give an update na pala ng house. Before, nung pinuna kong pinakita itong bahay, I think wala pa namang pintura. Some of the windows are not yet installed, I think. I'm not really sure. If you guys want to see my first video, I will put a link somewhere here or some description below. So, labas muna tayo guys. So, this is the gate. Tapos yan ang bahay. This will be green spaces. We will have Bermuda grass or Carabao grass or anything green. Ilalagay ko dito. Yan. So, and then, this is the main door. And you're inside. As I have said, this is not a big house, this is just a tiny house. But compared to my condo in Manila, it's a big stretch. Malaki yung ikinalaki. So yeah, as you enter the house, living room, this is my living room. Pakita ko sa inyo. So yeah, that's the living area. And then I will have my dining here, small dining table, and then This will be my tiny kitchen. Ayan. And over here is a mezzanine. I can use it as a guest room. Parang guest bathroom. Yeah. Full bathroom dito. Akyat tayo dun sa mezzanine. Guys, marami pa siyang alikabok kasi ongoing pa rin yung construction. Ito yung mezzanine. Now, punta naman tayo sa master's bedroom. Kasugi na yun. So, yan. I will have my bed here. Tapos the sliding door that goes outside. I will have a garden here. Yan, palabas na yan. Tapos, this is my bathroom. Yan, master bathroom. Vanity here. So, yan, magpapalagay ako dyan ng vanity. And then, pwede ko na ito tiles pa to, guys. Maglalagay pa dito ng tiles para maganda naman tingnan yan. And then, yeah, I'll have my garden here, my plants and everything. And then, ito, palabas natin ng bahay. Back to the main door. So, guys, that's it. That's the tour of my tiny house. What I like about this house is that malalaki yung window niya. So, maliwanag and the airflow is okay then. Plus, the ceiling is high. Sobrang taas ng ceiling. I can't wait to furnish this, guys, and show you the furnished version nitong bahay na to. If you have any questions related to house construction or how I did it all, comment down below, and also do not forget to subscribe, to like the video, to share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!